In this video, I'll show you how you can zip a folder. Now this is super simple, guys. What you want to do is you want to have a folder. You want to make sure there's something inside of it, that it's not just an empty folder. Or you can select some other things. You can, if you select this, control and click on this one, just make sure that there's more than only an empty folder selected. Now what you want to do is right click on it and that will open up a drop down menu. You want to hover the send to and press compressed zipped folder. Now as you can see, it creates a zip folder for me. I'm using WinRAR, that's why mine looks like this. If you don't have WinRAR, yours will look like a folder with like a ziplock on it. And that's basically how you can do it. Now from in here, when I open it, as you can see, it's in here and it's now a zip file. That's how you can do it on Windows, guys. It's super simple. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.